Hello everyone, I'm Channel 3 meteorologist Greg D. Quick weather update for you here at WKYC.com. Big area of high pressure off to our west and southwest this morning. That area of high pressure has plenty of heat with it. Heat building now towards the Mississippi and Ohio River valleys down towards Dixie. And that area of heat expands towards the East Coast and the Great Lakes as we move into Wednesday. Here's the Wednesday weather map. Hot air from Atlanta to Charlotte. And that'll extend up toward the Great Lakes and the Appalachians all the way up the East Coast into southern New England. Now the temperature forecast tricky. The models have been pushing upper 80s and low 90s, and I think this is the cool side of things, upper 80s. Many of you will get up to 90, 92, maybe even a couple of 93s and 94s. The bigger concern, though, is the higher humidity on Wednesday. Those are the orange numbers that you see, and they indicate the heat index, what it feels like when you add in that humidity to that already very warm temperature. And you see heat index values there in the low to mid 90s for Wednesday. It does not last long, however. Cold front moves by Wednesday night, and we will cool down for the second half of the work week. I'll have updates on my social media channels, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Follow me there throughout the day. And of course, we've always got your forecast at WKYC.com and the WKYC app.